Hello, my name is Ryan Murphy Anaraj, and this is my matrix number up here at the corner, as you can see. Today we are going to learn how to measure current using the multimeter. So let's get started. First of all, what we have to do is turn this to x1k ohm because the resistor we have here is 10k ohm, and we need to time it with x1k ohm to get x 10k ohm. First, we have to touch these pins together. As you can see, the meter goes up, but we need the meter to be right at 0. So what we have to do is turn this knob here until it slightly went to 0, right at 0. Alright, then let go. Next, we have to touch the leg of the resistor right here, and as you can see, it goes up to 10. Is it 10? So we get 10k ohm. Okay, next is measuring voltage of this battery. As you can see here, I have a 9-volt battery, if you can see it. So what we have to do is turn this to 9V, which means 9 volt if you have it. But for me, I have to turn. But if you don't have it, you can just turn it to DCV 10. Why DCV 10? Because this is direct current. And why 10? Because it is at 9 volt and there is only 10 here. And I have to mention, if you put the wire here at this resistor, it should be aligned with the leg of the resistor. So now, like just now, you put this pin at the leg of the resistor, and it should be going up right at 9. But I am getting, the red line here, I am getting 10. This means I got 10 because analog diameter is not that accurate. Okay, the final step is measuring the N meter of this resistor. First, what we have to do is remove either one of these two wires and move it to somewhere that is not aligned with this resistor, and add these two wires here and here that is aligned with this resistor. What we have to do is turn this to 2.5 DCMA because that is the measurement that we need. Then touch this wire at the pin. Oh, it repel again. So just turn it, and it goes up. We read it right here under the blue one. So we start at 50, which means 0.50 MA, and we count it by 5. So 0.50 plus this goes to 0.55. Then you plus it again, 5, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. That is the accurate one because this is a 9-volt battery. I guess that is it. Thank you.